Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a schedule planner in your Google Sheets using the templates in your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create a schedule planner in Google Sheet mobile, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, open your Google Sheet and click on this plus symbol and just choose the template here. So here you will see a option, lot of templates here. You just see an option called budget and Google Finance investment like that. Just scroll down, you will see weekly timesheet, expense report, and a lot of things are here. So you can see attendance, grade, and you can just make a schedule plan from here by weekly timesheet like that. Just click this. So this is a schedule planner that you can just schedule the project A, project B like that. You work about drawing or learning something new like that. Otherwise you can see, click on this plus symbol and also template. I just see, you can see the schedule option here. So on the wedding planner, travel planner like that, there is a lot of option for the planning section for create a schedule planner. So you can just use this. You can see the time has been given. You just double tap here and you just can write or something. You can also create a formula for a week. This is how you just create a planner, schedule planner on your Google Sheet by using the template. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.